So we just did the Stuart Falls hike up in Provo Canyon, Utah. So to get there, we went past the Sundance Ski Resort, and then we went past the BYU Aspen Grove area. There's a sign on the left that says BYU Aspen Grove. You'll go under this pedestrian bridge, and then you're gonna go to the toll booth where you can buy a recreation pass for $6 or use your National Parks Pass or Golden Passports Pass. When we went, the lot was full, so we actually parked outside, so we didn't have to pay that, but you go in, make a left to the parking lot, and the trailhead is down by the bathrooms. So as you come into the parking lot, there's this big sign that breaks down the fees and the trails. So you can see that it's the $6 for the 3-day pass, or they honor the National Parks Pass or the Golden Passports Pass as well. This is the Mount Timpanogos Trailhead, which is the trailhead that's closest to when you come into the parking lot. And then if you go down to the bathroom area, that's where the Stewart Falls Trailhead starts. So it's 3.6 miles round trip to the lower Stewart Falls. This is a moderate hike. You'll see that they call this trail the Stewart Cascades Trail number 56. As you're heading up the trail, you'll see a bunch of signs just to reassure that you're on the right trail to go to Stewart Falls. And this is what the hike looked like to get to Stewart Falls. So this trail has some shady areas, but a lot of it's out in the sun. So we found this big tree, took a little break, got some water. So when you're almost to Stewart Falls, you're gonna go down this steep rocky area. This is the view looking up after we just got down this rocky area. And then there's this beautiful overlook where you can see Stewart Falls. So then you'll take a couple of switchbacks down and you'll come out at Stewart Falls at the lower falls area. So if you want to explore above the lower falls area, there's a super steep trail that you can take. You're definitely hiking this at your own risk, and this is what this trail looks like.